Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate sending messages using Python and the PyAutoGUI library. Let's go step by step. At the top of the script, we import two things. First, we import PyAutoGUI. This library allows Python to control the keyboard and mouse automatically. Then, we import the sleep function from the time module. This allows us to pause the program between messages. Next, we define our first function called send_message. This function takes one parameter, the message. Inside the function, we use PyAutoGUI.write to type the message automatically wherever a cursor is active. Then, we simulate pressing the enter key using PyAutoGUI.press, enter. So, basically, this function types and sends the message. Now let's look at the second function, send_repeatedly. This function takes three parameters, the message, the number of repetitions, and the delay between messages. We start by initializing a counter variable called count, set to 1. Then, inside a try block, we create a loop that runs for the number of repetitions specified by the user. For each repetition, we call the send_message function. We also format the message to include the message number, so it shows something like message 1, message 2, and so on. After sending each message, we pause the program using sleep, delay. This prevents the messages from being sent too quickly. We also increase the counter after each iteration. Inside this function, we handle a keyboard interrupt exception. This means if the user presses Ctrl+C, the program will stop safely instead of crashing. Now, let's move to the main part of the program. We check if the script is running directly using if __name _= _main__. Inside this block, we ask the user for three inputs: the message they want to send, the number of repetitions, and the delay between each message in seconds. We convert repetitions to an integer and delay to a float to ensure correct numeric input. Then, we add a 5-second sleep before starting. This gives the user time to click into the chat or text field where the messages should be sent. After that, we call the send_repeatedly function with the user's input. We also handle possible errors. If the user enters invalid numbers, we catch a value error. And for any unexpected error, we catch a general exception and print the error message. And that's it. With just a few lines of Python, we created a simple but powerful automation script. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more real Python automation tools, mini apps, and practical coding tutorials, follow for more. Follow for more coding projects, automation ideas, and step-by-step explanations that help you build real skills. And remember, don't just watch the code. Build it, test it, improve it. See you in the next video.